Hey everyone, welcome to Chart Shastra, day 3 of the 100-day price action challenge. Today, let's start with something new. We will start analyzing the indices as well because since it's a Friday and the market has just closed now, let's do a summary. I'm also zooming in the charts little bit so that we can see them clearly. As you know, the Nifty has opened the gap up, then it has stayed there for 3 days, and yesterday's price action was a bit negative. But today, market took everyone into surprise. We have a very good positive action throughout the day. Although it didn't end at the high of the week, but still, it is much stronger than yesterday, right? Let's look at the Nifty next 50 index. It is slowly inching up to its resistance, near-term resistance. This is very constructive price action. If you see, this was the effect of Adani stocks, and on the Monday we had a very good gap up, and this 50 stocks have closed much stronger than the Nifty 50. You can see the slight difference here, right? And now this is our universe which we are doing analysis every day. The summary of 100 stocks, it almost represent Nifty 50, right? Still, this gap which is being respected is a strong indication that okay, the buyers are getting stronger and sellers are getting weaker. Let's look at the mid cap. This is mid cap select index. Here you can see that even the mid cap index had a gap up opening, and it fairly held constant throughout the week. There was not much selling after this fall. You can see that it is slowly inching up to its near term resistance. If the buyers became strong and take out this line, then we can expect some smooth action in the market. As of now, it is still a wait and watch scenario, in especially when it comes to trading. But if Nifty or the Nifty 500, let's look at the broader level index. The broader level index still looks much weaker, but although it has fairly consolidated throughout the entire week, we can see it has traded between the range 22,700 to 22,400. Only the 300 points the entire week the market has consolidated. Even the small cap space actually looks much stronger here, but we have this trend line resistance. Every time you see that there is a pattern, right? The index has corrected, and whenever the buyers started pushing up, the sellers got into the control and again pushed it down. Again, the buyers regained the control, but again, sellers dominated here. Let's wait because I would say this is very crucial. A constructive price action would be something like this. Here, the buyers would absorb all the supplies given by the sellers, and suddenly a new buying force kicks in, and the market should move up. That is something very healthy market or the end of the market correction should look like. Agar if again the sellers came back into strength, and if we see some similar action like this, again the news and the articles would be flooded with market correcting, Nifty 10% down, Nifty 20% down. Same, this is broader index. Let's also see how the sectoral stocks are doing. I am going to do some sectoral analysis of one of few important sectors. Coming to Bank Nifty, again, we are seeing that the Bank Nifty since the start of October, it has been trading in this range. Yesterday, it tried to break this 52,800 level. If the market closes above this level, I think banks are good to go, especially the private banks. This is where the major struggle is happening as of now, because the Bank Nifty, most of the heavyweights like HDFC, ICICI, and Axis and Kotak belongs to private sector, right? PSU Bank, as of now, again, they are still consolidating, no strength yet, but again, they are not giving up the gains too. They are still holding these low levels. Coming to IT, we have seen a good rally in this week, especially the last Friday was a very good close. But again, yesterday we have seen some price correction on the expectations that the US Fed might not increase, might not reduce the interest rates over there. That would be the reason of some profit booking yesterday. Even in a such strong market today, I thought IT stocks would held up or give relatively perform better than other sectors, but fine. It's a decent closing comparatively. Auto stocks again very weak. As you can see, the Monday was a gap up, and this is not something we want in this market, right? We want either to hold up here, it should start inching up. Even the reality, but still much better than the auto. If you look at pharma, again, bit Monday was a gap up, then there was a series of correction, but today closing was very good. This is indicating that again, this support level is getting stronger and stronger. Whenever the pharma stocks are getting low, again, smart money is getting there and buying it. Infra too, okay, relatively well. Coming to FMCG, not very good, right? Again, I tried to break out yesterday. I mean, I won't call this a breakout, but again, out of this mini consolidation area. But okay, today closing is decent. We need much more strength because this is the index which has corrected a lot. Ideally, this should come somewhere here or here by this time, but it hasn't. So that's all about sectoral analysis. Let's get into our daily analysis, which is our Nifty 100 stocks. So I am still going to zoom in the charts today a little bit so that we can clearly understand the price action. See, if you see the Nifty chart and Reliance chart, it's almost similar, guys. I mean, look at here. There was a Monday gap up opening, and yesterday there was a fall, and today it was a strong close for Nifty. TCS2, it tried to stay above the last Friday, so that's a good indication as of now. But other stocks are much stronger than the TCS in the IT space. We have been seeing this every day, right? HDFC, we are seeing this every day. It is still respecting this 1800 zone. As long as it is here, it is a good sign. We want this to break above this level because this is going to be its all-time high level. And Airtel, we have seen this is one of the today's top gainer. That's 4%. That too with a good volume. I mean, it means that we have seen a fantastic rally in the Airtel since the beginning of the year. Due to the market weakness, there has been some profit booking, but when it came to its previous important support levels, which is 1520, quickly you can see here, right? The buying volumes on the green days or the positive days are higher. That's a good sign. And ICICI Bank too, it is developing very good price action. Let it break this price level, then we can enter the ICICI Bank. Infosys again a little bit weakness here, similar to TCS, but a bit stronger than TCS. State Bank of India again wonderful price action. It is getting tighter and tighter. We want this. We want this. It has to get tighter and it needs to give a sudden breakout, probably at this level. Then it is good to go for the next movement. ITC again, see, no, not much to discuss about here. Similar with Hindustan Unilever, let it break this yesterday's high and close above it. Only then we can discuss. As of now, nothing new here. See, this is what I was talking about. LIC. This kind of market action is what we needed to confirm that okay, at least the selling has been stopped in the stock and the buyers have started. Look at its volume, 7.4 million shares, and the average volume is only 2 million shares. That is almost 300% increase in volume, that too with a very strong price action, right? So it's a very good sign, and it also closed above this 50-day moving average and 21-day moving average. It's a good sign. HCL Tech, okay, holding up in this range. Probably it is taking some time. Still, I feel this is the strongest stock in the Nifty 100. Whenever the market sentiment, once this uncertainty around this Fed rate is over, I think IT stocks might do well. If we expect some unexpected news, especially regarding the interest rates, then I think it would be a worrisome concern. LNT again, it is just hovering within these levels. Sun Pharma, look at it. Yesterday we have told that this level should not be broken down. If it happens, it is getting weaker, but today is a good price action. Bajaj Finance, look at this, guys. Despite the market being this strong, the stock is not moving much high. This is the sign of weakness. NTPC similarly, not much action here, right? While the other stocks are recovering, these are not. It means that smart money is not interested in it anymore. Same, similar to Axis Bank, nothing strong here this entire week. Maruti, look at it. See, you are seeing, in fact, this is getting lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. That is the sign of a very weak sign, and I mean, it is in a very strong downtrend, not an uptrend. So it is a good opportunity. I think if it breaks down again, it would start a new series of down move. Again, Kotak too, not very great, right? Mahindra and Mahindra holding up, okay. Not a very strong price action, but it's a decent one. I mean, people are not selling it, and also people are not buying it. ONGC again, weak, weak, weak. We want somewhat stronger, although it is tightening up here. Let's see tomorrow. Again, Tata Motors, despite after this much correction, we would want some bounce, right? Even there is not enough strength for this bounce. Ultratech, nothing new here. Let's let this level gets taken out, then we can talk. Adani, see, this is the lower boundary of the gap. It tried to reach here and again got rejected. Probably there is some still uncertainty in the news we have discussed, right? Probably the other Adani stocks which have reacted much harsher than this one are recovering now. Power grid again, okay, but not so great. I mean, it had a good last week, but this week it opened on the Monday, and again it had a very weak closing this week. Although it is taking rest at this 21 moving day average and 50-day moving average. So let's wait. This level would be interesting to watch. Titan again, see, not very interesting, still downtrend. See, Bajaj Auto, see guys, there is not even an attempt to move up, right? This is called a weakness. We don't want such weak stocks. Adani Port, again, see, look at it. It is trying to clear this boundary and got rejected here. Shayad, it might need some more time. Coal India, not even attempt. Again, this is it looks like a nice consolidation to short it again. I mean, if it comes here and gets rejected, that is a new short. Unless if there is a strong buying, it looks. Look at again, Asian Paints, Asian Paints. So let me just hide this indicator too, so that we can see completely. Yes, Asian Paints again, no strength here. Wipro holding up good. Again, same US Fed uncertainty. Hindustan Aeronautical, this is holding up at this level. It is a good sign. 4500 is a bit crucial resistance. Once it breaks above it, 4700. Again, Bajaj Finserv, nothing new here, guys. We have been seeing this every day. No strength here. D-Mart 2, no strength here. Trend, it is tightening up. See, this is what we need. It is getting tightening up. Once the entire selling force is getting absorbed, maybe a little push would push it upward. Adani Green, good, strong close action trying to filling its gap. Probably the 1400 would act as a crucial level. If the news uncertainty is completely resolved, it might get back to these levels. Diamonds within the range, slowly inching up. Again, very strong positive. We want stocks like this, right? Monday strong 7% up and still holding those levels and closing strongly at the end of the week. JSW still getting tighter and tighter, although it is in a long-term channel. See, we can just draw this line. Probably once this gets breaks out, we would see some kind of resistance here. Adani Power closed its gap, good, and today it tried to get above this previous high, but it didn't. Let's wait. Zomato, again, a little bit of selling here today, usually counterintuitive to the entire market day price action, but not we don't have to worry here as long as these levels. This would be this would be your crucial support level, and once this is getting pushed out, that's a good sign. Nestle, see, this is what I talk about weak stocks. Not trying at all, not trying at all. Maruti Suzuki, Bajaj Auto, Nestle India, these are the stocks. Asian Paints, these are the stocks which are becoming very weaker. IOC, again, similar example. We want the price action to move to the upwards of this area, right? Next, look at this bell. This is a very good strong action. Monday was a very good gap up and it has closed at the week's high and it has closed at its crucial level. Probably the next week, if we can little bit consolidation and any breakout would be a good entry point for Bharat Electronics. Varun Beverages too, getting tighter and tighter. Good action as of now, no strength yet, but good action. Geo Finance too looks like it is absorbing all the supply. Maybe a sign of bottom out. Let's see. Unless this 330 level is taken out, we can comment. DLF not so great. Still needs to take these levels out. Tata still again weak, 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 weak. You understand, right? Why I am saying it weak? Nothing, no efforts here. Vedanta too. I mean, metal stocks are getting ignored, I guess. Grasim, not something similar to Ultratech. Nothing happening here. IRFC again, guys. I don't want this kind of thing on such a very good day. Although this week it has ended positive, but it could have been better, right? It also needs to cross this level to say that okay, the selling has stopped and the stock has bottomed out. L&T good IT stocks again. They are, see, we want something like this in IRFC to confirm it. It should not make new lows. It should start to make new at least not new higher, but it should stop making. See, this was the low, this was the low, and probably this is the low now. This is what we need. Again, IT stock. Indigo, look at this. This is what I'm talking. Although this was a continuous straight buy, probably some consolidation would help to absorb this rapid supply. Let's see. Although again, this is very strong. It has closed its gap and pushing higher each day. Take him. Good sign. See, the lows are here, the lows are here, and the lows are here. We want this stock to stay here and move up, not go down. Look at it. SBI Life weak, guys. Even today, the stock didn't move much on such a strong day. This is the sign of weak. Pidilite again, no action here. Very boring stock. ABB looks like we can just draw a line here unless and until it breaks above this 7500 we can start, because this 7500, if you see this level, every time it came here it got support and moved up, but this time let's see whether all this supply would be absorbed or not. Divi's Lab, look at this guy. Probably next week it would break out and start another new leg, something like this or something like this or something like this. Very good sign, very good sign. HDFC Life again weak, getting weaker. Hindalco, nothing happening here, getting weaker over the entire week. PFC too, okay, not doing much here. Britannia, look at this, guys. No, I don't want stocks to be like this. We want strength. We want to be in the stocks which are getting stronger and stronger each day. Ambuja Cement, again, Adani effect. It is recovering nice. It is a good attempt. Let's see whether this entire gap will be closed or not next week. Gale, okay, not so great. Tata Power, look at this, guys. No attempt here still. I mean, it needs to take these levels out. REC, same just like PFC. Nothing happening here. Motherson, as I told you, right? I mean, you can see the theme of the day, right? There was not enough buying in the auto stocks. There was a strong buying in the pharma, but again, same like IOC, BPCL is also getting ignored. Godrej Consumer Properties products, sorry. This went up again, not so. I want at least closing somewhere here. Eicher Motors, see again, not so great, but holding up. Bank of Baroda still it is deciding. Probably it might continue some consolidation here. Cipla, see, this is some strength. Probably now the lows are getting high each day. Again, unless this level is taken out, we can't just confirm that supply is good. As of now, okay, decent action. JSW Energy waiting at its support level. Probably it might take some more time. Let's wait whether it would be reversing up or it would start a new selling. Again, TVS Motor is not so great, right? Although it's a good consolidation, probably this level is very important. This 2350 level. Torrent pharmacy, this is what I was talking about. We need such strength. See, it's a good price action, right? I mean, all this selling has been absorbed almost in last 1, 2, and 3 big candles. That's what we need. That too with good volumes. Shriram Finance, decent. It has respected. See, the gap is being respected and the stock is closing on the upper side of the week. Chola, not great. Ideally, I wanted something like Shriram Finance, but not great here. Bajaj Holding, again, it is actually getting weaker and holding down, although we have this level. It doesn't do much since it's a holding company. We can't expect more than this. This is a very good sign. Adani Energy and Soul. I am now deleting the gap. The gap has been officially filled with the highest volumes. Good sign, good sign. Punjab National Bank, it needs to take out this 107, 108 levels. Only then we can comment. As of now, this week's price action is decent. Although if it had closed positive today, it would have indicated much strength. Dr. Reddy, see, look at Cipla. Remember Cipla, right? It was up 3%, but there was no buying here. Even there was buying in Torrent Pharma, there was buying in Sun Pharma, but not buying in Dr. Reddy's. So within the sector, you can identify where the buying is happening, which stock looks better just by looking at which area the stock is situated in this chart. United Spirit, see, good. See, this is actually good. We can just now the support has been taken out. I can just make this line. If I think United Spirits would take out this level, it is a good signal to buy, because every time the same thing happens. You could see some move. You could see some move here, right? If it closes above this 1560 level, then it's a good sign that the buyers are back in this stock. Low the nothing new here. iPro, remember we discussed that it has the least impact yesterday because of the new regulatory. As of now, not a very strong buying, but also there is no selling here. LIC is getting stronger in the life insurance space. Again, the entire insurance sector is not doing so great, but still. Havels, okay, looks like there is some kind of forming of the bottom. We can just draw this line. Let's see if this, it's a good constructive price action. I mean, the gap up and holding these levels. Bosch, okay, bit decent than Motherson, than other auto stocks, but again, we need some more action here. Apollo Hospital, not so great actually. Other hospital stocks in mid cap, small cap were doing well, but this one is not doing well. See, Jaido's life, some kind of bottom fishing out. This is a good sign, at least it signals that whether the correction is getting halted or not. If it moves above here, we can confirm it, but if it breaks down from here, that would be new selling. We should stay very alert. Again, Hero MotoCorp, look at this. We want the stock to break these levels, right? It hasn't. Now, carry good price action. See, this is what the strong stock should look like in such market. Probably somewhere here. The Nifty is still struggling, but this stock is back to its all-time high, and probably it just needs some kind of sentimental push to go up. Tata Consumer, not so good, not so good. Dabur, similar charges like FMCG are still weaker. Even Lombard is also not great. Jindal Steel probably trying to reverse. Let's wait. I would see this 950 level. Once it crosses out, you can see something. Sri Cement, again, every time it tries to go here, again it is now trying to go this 26,700 level. Let's wait. Although cement stock, something like Ramco Cement is doing really well. So let's see, would that repeat in here as well or not? Canara Bank, see, I want some positive closing, probably above this level, 106. 106 is something I'm eagerly waiting for. Although PN, similarly, if you see Punjab National Bank somewhere around 107 level, right? Similar chart. We want these two go up. Union Bank, it tried today. Look at it, it tried today. Although we have this major resistance at 130, which is one of the crucial level for Union Bank. Let's wait whether this level, then we can actually think of discussing and adding Union Bank. Again, very weak, guys. Indocent, look at this. We don't want this, right? We don't want this. Very weak. Adani Total Gas, good, it tried to move up but again got rejected. Lot of volatility here, stay away from Adani. NHPC, despite this the strongest strength in the market, this stock failed to move up, not good. But it looks like it is trying to form a bottom. Let's wait. BHL, see, a bit different from NHPC, right? It is trying to move up, that's what we need. IRCTC, nothing new here. Nothing new here. Okay, we came back to Reliance. So that's all about the Nifty 100 stocks today, guys. And thank you for watching. Tomorrow I will be releasing a very special video. I am going to do something which no YouTuber or no one has done it on the YouTube. Let it be a surprise. Please subscribe to my channel Chart Shastra, and please feel free to share your opinions and give me some suggestions how we are going to take this forward. Thanks a lot, guys.